And then you go millions of kilometers almost. You travel and then you find a place where people speak your language. So I was very surprised. And most of the time it's super cute. The same is when I try to speak Hindi. People always say, "Oh, बहुत प्यारी है."
Hallo Freunde, wie geht's? Ich heiße Isha.
Hallo zusammen, mein Name ist Matthias.
So, this video is all about how, when someone is learning any language, there are a couple of challenges when we face. So, I plan to make a video wherein, we can actually realize from a person who is from that country. For example, Matthias is from Germany. Er kommt aus Deutschland. So, he'll be telling us what he thinks when someone who's not from Germany is speaking German. And we know if not German, then any other language. And if we are learning that, initially we have a couple of difficulties. So, Matthias, what do you want to say about it?
ये बहुत मुश्किल होता है ना?
Yeah, exactly. So, let's just, speak a couple of phrases. I'll speak it in German and then Matthias will speak in German again. Now, one thing, I am an Indian and he is a German. So, what I want to show कि हम कैसे बोलते हैं वो language, and then the person who is actually from that country, okay, from that land, how will he speak? Because I got a lot of not a lot of, but then a couple of questions saying how can I improve my accent. And when I used to say that it's not really important to improve your accent, it's just you should focus on the language should be correct. So today we'll see how Matthias will react to it. So let's just start. Okay, so the first sentence is Ich heiße Isha.
Ich heiße Matthias.
Yeah, okay. And it means my name is Isha basically. So the next sentence is again pretty easy. So I am taking easy sentences on purpose so that everyone can understand it first of all, and then we can also, maybe achieve our aim of doing the video, which is basically knowing how an Indian speak the language German and how basically a native German speaks. Okay. So the next sentence is Ich komme aus Indien. Ich komme aus Indien.
Und ich komme aus Deutschland.
Yeah. Matthias, can you also tell in Hindi what does that mean?
Ooh, I can try. मैं Germany से हूँ.
Yeah. Okay, so whenever you want to tell your country, basically, so you can say Ich komme aus Indien. So if you'll say, if you'll see, I'm not sure how much difference you guys can see. आपको लग रहा है कि when I speak German and when you speak German, there's a
very small difference. Yeah.
And what is it?
Oh, it's just you have a different flow in your language.
Yeah, maybe we can that. And if you'll realize when I say Hindi, जब मैं हिंदी में बोलती हूँ और जब Matthias हिंदी में बोलता है तो वो शायद थोड़ा अलग होता होगा. आप कुछ हिंदी में बोलोगे?
हाँ, सच में तो अलग-अलग pronunciation है.
हाँ. Right. So, I guess this is with all the languages, like not just with Hindi or German, but सबके साथ होता है. मैं नीचे देख लेना है? कुछ नहीं. So, okay. Okay, so the next one is meine Hobbys sind Kochen und Essen. Okay? So, meine Hobbys sind Kochen und Essen. Okay? My hobbies are to cook and eat. Yeah, it's basically that. And yours?
Meine Hobbys sind Musik und Lesen.
Yeah, and you'll also have to say that in Hindi. ताकि सबको समझ आ जाए. Yeah.
हिंदी में क्या है? तो मुझे संगीत बहुत पसंद है और मुझे पढ़ना. हाँ.
So that's how. So it's meine Hobbys sind Kochen und Essen. Then the next one is Ich habe einen Bruder. Okay, and if I just not focus on like the phrase much, it will normally like Ich habe einen Bruder. Ich habe einen Bruder. I have a brother.
Ich habe keinen Bruder, aber ich habe eine Schwester.
Yeah. So it means I don't have a brother, but I have a sister. मेरा कोई भाई नहीं है, but मेरी एक बहन है. Okay? How do you say it?
Genau. Schwester.
Yeah.
Schwester.
mein Lieblingsort ist Kusol. Mein Lieblingsort ist Kusol. Ich liebe Berge. So it's like I love mountains. And I'll just ask Matthias to say the similar kind of sentence.
Ja, mein Lieblingsort in Indien ist Ladakh.
That's
Ja,
pretty cool.
ich liebe auch Berge.
Yeah. Okay. So yeah, that's pretty cool, I guess. Okay. So there's a concept of R. If any one of you knows, German का R थोड़ा different होता है, and I've tried it multiple times, but I could never achieve it. So, for example, if I say brot or rot, for example, just take brot. Brot is bread. So I'll just say brot. And okay, Matthias, now you'll say in your German accent.
So it would be Brot. Brot.
Yeah, and even if I try, can you tell us how do you speak it?
It's just a feeling, nah, I guess. It's very tough. Everywhere I go, it's very difficult for people to pronounce it if they are not native speaker.
Yeah.
And I try to teach them, but it takes years.
Yeah. So see, this is what I want to show everyone. For example, he is a native speaker. He is a native German, and वो खुद ही बोल रहे हैं कि it's not really easy to say that. Like, for example, he says broad. I don't know. I just can't.
Pretty good, yeah?
Broad. I don't know. Like the bass, there's some bass vibration which we hear, and I'm not somehow able to say the R sound because maybe I'm in Indian and I'm not used to it. So this is what the motive is. Okay, for example, if you're learning something, just learn the language and maybe the accent will come automatically in yours.
That's true, yeah.
Okay, so one last question from you. Okay, since you've been living in India for some time now and you've seen people speaking German and you are from Germany, so I want your opinion that how do you feel when someone speaks? And for example, जैसे अगर कोई हिंदी बोलता है तो हमें भी लगता है कि अच्छी हिंदी बोल रहा है या खराब हिंदी बोल रहा है, मतलब maybe just your opinions. Okay,
Yeah, when I came to India, I was really surprised how many people actually speak German here. And then you go millions of kilometers almost, you travel and then you find a place where people speak your language. So I was very surprised. And most of the time it's super cute when they speak because pronunciation is for sure, it's a little bit different.
Yeah, it's
but the same is when I try to speak Hindi, people always say, oh, bahut pyari hai. So it's the same. It's very cute.
Yeah, and it's a fact. For example, when we realize, for example, I'll tell you when I guess when I saw Matthias speaking Hindi for the first time, I was also the same, oh, Hindi bolta hai. So it's just, you feel good. And for a fact, Indian ka to hum pata hi hai, whenever we see some foreigners or someone who is from some other country speaking our language, we get, surprised or something. For example, I know a person who is Japanese and he speaks really, really good Hindi. Like when he wants to say kitchen, he instead of saying kitchen, he says rasoi ghar. So it's, it's pretty, yeah, iski Hindi kafi shudha hai, yeah. So it's, it's pretty good, I guess. So that's pretty much all in this video. So I hope now everyone, understand how is it actually, and I hope you find this video good. And if you did, do give it a thumbs up.
Yeah.
Till then, subscribe my channel. You can also click the bell icon so that every time I post a video, you get a notification. Till then, how do we say bye in German? Tschüss. Yeah. कहते बहुत गर्मी लग रही है. आपको भी गर्मी लग रही होगी? तो गर्मी लग रही है. Okay. क्या बोलेंगे इसमें? Okay. Yeah, how will you know it? कट करते.